My name is Michael Hegstrom. I'm a general surgeon, MD. I was in the military. I was an infantry lieutenant and came back for holidays. And one of my dad's friends was a general surgeon, and he took me into the OR and showed me what it was. And I just knew right then that's what I wanted to do. So that's got me focused on medicine and surgery specifically. I'm a very regimented, kind of disciplined person. I just loved. It was almost like a dance watching him work, and it was really cool. Being at Geisinger is really neat because we have a really good family practice and primary care group. So the patients I get really come in with definitive surgical problems. So it's nice for me to sit down and have a discussion, pain, problem, whatever it is, to kind of really go over the options and pick out what's best for them to give them the best results. And that's the goal, is to give them the best results I can. I've always been sort of a fitness kind of buff. I ran starting in the 80s. My dad was military and everyone would do that. So I ran for 30 years. And I did it until around the COVID, and I started riding an indoor bike and a bicycle specifically. I really got hooked on kind of the metrics and how that works. And then with that, I had a personal trainer who kind of taught me how to lift weights. So I've been, my plan is to age as gracefully as I can. So that includes, building an engine, which is, your aerobic engine, and then building strength and stability and stuff through that. So yeah, I'm pretty dedicated to it. But I love setting out a plan and then executing the plan. It's kind of my personality. If you could take exercise and put it into a pill, it would be the single most important pill you could take to age well and to have a good life going forward. So I love, I'm a scientist, so I can sit and I have an AI program that kind of puts in the workouts for me, and it follows how I do, and so yeah, I like that. I think I was undiagnosed as attention deficit as a child. Didn't even figure it out till I was an adult, but it really is a way for me to settle my brain down. So it allows me to kind of relax, and I like the repetitive nature of it. So I've just always loved exercise. I tell people, there's lots of things you like about yourself and you don't like yourself, but the one thing I would never change about myself is I loved exercise. There's never a day in my life I don't enjoy it. I think people should consider Geisinger because I think the whole culture is set towards taking good care of patients. I think really that there's a culture of safety. People speak up. There's not an intimidating factor about it. I think it's a great place to work, and I think people enjoy working there, and I think that translates into taking good care of patients.